If you're looking for an X870 motherboard that offers high-end performance without the premium price of the X870E chipset, the GIGABYTE X870 Gaming X is an excellent option. This board features the X870 chipset, which keeps PCIe 5.0 for the primary slots, but trades a few additional PCIe lanes for a more budget-friendly setup, making it a more practical choice for most users. Compared to its predecessor, the X670 Gaming X, the X870 Gaming X features upgraded VRMs with a 16+2+2 power phase design versus the older model's 14+2+1. This means better power stability, especially important for supporting a high-end CPU like the 9950X's core count under heavier loads. The VRM heatsinks have also been expanded, with larger finned aluminum heatsinks providing improved passive cooling over the X670. Design-wise, GIGABYTE maintains a subtle brushed aluminum finish with minimum RGB around the rear I/O cover and the heatsink. This overall design choice strikes a nice balance between aesthetics and function. It's nothing particularly flashy, but I appreciate the industrial look and the intuitive PCIe quick-release latches. You also get toolless M2 SSD installation, thanks to GIGABYTE's easy latch design. While it's a cheaper board than the high-end X870E alternatives out there, it doesn't skimp out on performance. The DDR5 RAM support is rated at 8,200 megatransfers per second, which is more than enough for almost any RAM kit out there. You also get 4 M2 slots, 2 of which are PCIe 5.0 ready. That's more than enough for most setups, and it leaves room for those looking to expand storage with high-speed drives. However, it does lack a bit in the BIOS department compared to some higher-end boards. It's slow and difficult to navigate, so troubleshooting things can sometimes be a problem. On top of that, the physical debug LED on the board is in a poor position that can easily be hidden by cables. That's a minor complaint considering the price, as the rest of the board is fantastic. The robust VRM setup is another positive point. It's not as overbuilt as some of the more expensive X870E boards, but will still comfortably support a CPU like the 9950X, even with mild overclocking. Plus, the VRM cooling solution is excellent, with chunky heatsinks ensuring stable performance under load. On the connectivity front, you get access to 10 USB ports, and 2 of them are Type-C USB 4 ports. You also get Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and 2.5 GB Ethernet. Around the back, you also get a BIOS flashback button and 2 Wi-Fi antenna connectors to boost signal strength. The ASRock X870 Pro RS is the closest competitor, and it's a tight battle between the two. To some, the ASRock board might look a bit better, but it has a slightly weaker VRM setup. Feature-wise, they're nearly identical, so personally I prefer the GIGABYTE X870 Gaming X, as it manages to be slightly cheaper without skimping out on the experience. All in all, the GIGABYTE X870 Gaming X is the best value motherboard you can buy if you're looking to get into the AM5 platform with a Ryzen 9000 series CPU. It has a robust VRM setup, user-friendly features like the BIOS flashback button, and a clean industrial design. While the BIOS is a bit clunky, it doesn't take away from the excellence of this motherboard at all. To sum up, what I like is the affordable price, the impressive power delivery design, the toolless M2 SSD installation, excellent memory overclocking. On the downside, BIOS is a bit slow and clunky. Ratings: Design, 8 out of 10. Features, 8.5 out of 10. Connectivity, 9 out of 10. Power delivery, 9 out of 10. Value, 9 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10. So, what do you think? Which is the best motherboard for you? If you're serious about maximizing your PC building experience, there's so much more to explore. Check out more of my videos packed with suggestions and reviews to help you stay ahead in your PC building.